Yeah, so today's an exciting Monday morning. We are heading to, it's an 8-zone mini split install in Concord, but they wanted to decarbonize and do their part, also add AC to the home, get off oil. So they ended up getting 2 systems, floor by floor. So this is a good one. This is going to be exciting, and we're actually in a neighborhood that we did another install for our customer Laura at this house. They had decarbonized a while back. So one house at a time in Concord here. We're actually the #1 installer in Concord for heat pumps that are calculated on oil customers with Concord Electric. That's actually not including the customers that have natural gas. We made it. Okay. These are for you. Thank you. We did 2 4-zone systems, so 4 bedrooms. Each one got a ceiling cassette upstairs, and then 4 rooms downstairs. We did 3 low wall units, which we call like floor units, and then we did a high wall in the back. So they're very happy. We're happy. Job well done.